Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard of this POCO. You need to begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down to access additional settings. In them, select Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Revert. Finally, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and click on Show More at the bottom right corners. Now tap on the best theme for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and save your keyboard by choosing Apply. So now when I click and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it though, go into exactly the same settings and tap on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, click on one of those apps or tap on those three lines at the top right corner and select one of those sources, like downloads. Now you can pinch your photo to scale and drag it to move. Then click on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and tap on Apply. If you wish to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one. Tap on this pin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit one of your custom ones, just click on it. Tap on this pen icon next to the bead one and make your changes. Then tap on Next, adjust brightness, click on Save and tap on Apply again. So now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!